omoko tapuo ya shima tutambari wanbaye ndo yaronga naro viungura aiwe theni na peshiro thonda ha o treife komandero mavende maveiti omapeta omoko tapuo nje tukaende pamwe tukatape kaende moko tumwi changulu hautomi vavende yonja komwe nawa chashima tutara mave kaina ndomba mave hiti meshenge kuno mutengo kwi sige mutengo oguru chukwa otraive ati kamera ngotomo tatu akapita opo mwiropo maitiro peno security officer mutengwa tenekara oguru chukwa wanu opo vetira wi kamera no kuingira mpaka pita amigwina yete moto akapita wanu mavetira otho video ya basha mutengwa oguru chukwa
mbiri pole newa
kapro baka gira
anu mbiri pole newa
ya kwa mimene ukamura uli
okay
bapeka enda bonaba bapeka enda
pipimba
imbapo naba obotreife
yo treife abuo maimunika na jinene uliri maimunika na jinene ndomba kwa jitho kuya nao we kutokera we nyanda no gujita ne mokotomu
ogujo chawe ongulu obongure hapo namba ame
volodia ata cancel madu watere mo jipari mena na bihemba pembi mo hepo nda uno jithiro mo hepo kupura bobi kwa enyemo chomuno muno kampandanga jo oyo ithana uli upura kutorokere bina bi ya nagi ibo omundo omathikiro opo upanamba gatuka ende pamwe nda mutarena wa treife hapo yarongeritha dino eyuve theni na dimarit farake uvande theni na njiro thonda wanima yotu kutoku tuto bidha kuithapo chimba mutara mudamwe peno mundo onya baba po mathike onyama na mara ni onyama mamu munu lerimbo that's wapo ambo kore mambo murino mambo ya chike munene wape kaenda Mavete kamera. Maunguro udio. Pandapo vete kamera nje kainasha. Market bomba bapera litho vandu bo nyama. Ndali ko kompando streeta. Newa po uthemba ko kurandithira mbani. Ve shito market no vengo po imariva. Anje onao matu munda muna tukatare kwini. Mundu jarimbwa.
Wada kuchi.
Mbikala poroka palemba uli bo jinjere semba.
Jo otreife ya thanapi ino ichinge vara jimota mwi chimo ide kundaro ndeka
threat change ambara ine vara bapege kairi jimona injo muranja ko ya romanu pege
ejo
ngi mema mu ami mu mune wanje meja ilike na jinene
kushimo tanga vetune vi okubiuri
inakuchiwa ngwala makongo mu threat kuja yali une nujikara nomwandu wa tomo kajikara
omune we
ni omune wanji
omune we kupata benje baka pita me kambura ya mundu mave prat na veri ongereko kombura mayende kwa andaki jinene ngwa kapita omundu he uno omune uno themba kuhingira mapethi kwa pomba omathikiro mape kohororwa ombo wandu wako ujia kula nambari okuliambo omba mutai wa muno peura nawa omaunguri omathemba okutha komana neno mawa yo trade fair committee jia ungura okungura kumana saima mutai wa muno andu baha mapenda ayo ungura uthio kuthambo matukaenda kati kutara kati uri kujame mbeno upando unepo namba uri atukapita uri outhupi onde wa marutitha pena mathikiro pathambo avekaenda kuthambo yote kamera mopo neto ikamera kandoke bogonga kasha ngwa pona mbo inarako okapana omalango okapanda okongo kena vandu mberi woshiri tiapinga ambe korondo omba yaitwamba ulipo treifemba onja atukwana jarara shima mutano kuko hano mewanda hopo nambo gatuka ende pamwe twenda tuchiwathana chike munonje okuri chikwae mavete kamera owandu wapuo ete mbaturimba
Yeah, can you just grab the mic? Just like, I'm only going to give you like 1 minute, everything. So, who are you?
Yeah, my name is Kai Hori Kambura.
Yeah. What brought you down here and why are you sitting there?
Well, what brought me to the trade fair is not only the vibe, but we are finding a lot of new information, different companies. You are finding here, Toyota here. Is it no? Which car company is here? Nam Autos. Ours Motor is here, and then you find different companies. So we are here to get more information and also to have fun at the same time,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I mean, regarding like the last year expo, our trade fair, what do you think the different have come in?
Well, I think this year is bigger and it's better. It looks like they are improving on their services. Also, the prices are somehow reduced as compared to last year. The prices were higher. So they are having more exhibitors. They are having more activities, more entertainment for everyone. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you very much
for your time. Thank you. And enjoy Opuwo Trade Fair.
Oh, yeah.
You
are talking to Master Arsenal.
Arsenal, the only one.
We make sure next year English Premier League is belong to us.
Thank you.
We Arsenal. Man City. Basop.
Yeah, tell them. Can you grab? Yeah,
I'm Charmaine Roll.
Yeah, and what brought you down here? Why are you sitting at this cabana? What's the good thing about this cabana?
No, we are just sitting here because
the food is delicious.
The food is delicious and there's nice things, pizza, something like that. That's not in Opuwo. We want to enjoy that
nice.
pizza.
Enjoy your day. Can you give to the lady this?
Hello.
Can you speak out, please?
Hello.
Greet the people outside there. People who see you in UK, in America, Germany, where.
Okay, hello guys. I'm good. I'm here at the Opuwo Trade Fair. I'm at this cabana. I'm supporting my sister's cabana. There's delicious food.
What's the name of this cabana?
Chef Reno.
Oh, and where's the owner?
The owner is inside there. She went. Oh, she went somewhere.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, tell about the people about this cabana. What's the good thing?
The good thing about this cabana is that
in 20 seconds.
They got delicious food. Then there's nice cold beers and so forth.
It's up. Thank you very much. Twakapita tepena ovinyo kori no ukapita ovinyo kono ukapita yatepena ulina mutoje kahingire to utei kamera nono njeka inashi yatemba twakaenda ruko o trade fair mulino hon mulino chinene uri matu munu mahama na hepure mambo onjemeni mai kumunu America yumunu
itulinawa tulimo mochina pale omuntu yajize wakambe kumutwa rukuma
Owe nguri chigwaye.
Wami Monica Hadley.
Wada kuchine?
Baba kurubanje.
Oruwanjiro omuni ko yune? Oruwanjiro omuni ko yune?
Jero muni ko yune. Ayeka Salama Hadley. Kako okurama yanja. Romuni ko I George Hadley.
Aika ko. Na waitha bindu.
Na waitha ko hapa.
Ndaki jine mundu aje. Twakapita. Yatembera twai. Okapano katenga. Bape onjo muri. Mutengwa nguri chigwa. Nguri une?
Mimi sabi haruga.
Wada kuchine?
Oga hogu.
Oga hogu. So, mueve po daba.
Ya mujijitu.
So,
ndaki mugani.
Ya ndaki chine.
Ujigwege.
Twakapita.
Ujigenya.
Pobo peno vandu po naba. Opana mauya ukane. Because of time. Matumbo vinyoko uria tukapita po naba. Chaima umuno. Peno vandu vahamo vengi po naba. Ovinyoko uria tukapita. Ovinyoko uri. Vandu vahama. Teura na wachiri. Ulio hona?
Ombai mudia. Ba madu segera madu lianga motrate fe madu tawi na peke. Mona muno winda wingi mwi. Muno winda wingi mona mwi. Anaje. Muno upana, muno lompira, muno lompa, muno nyama. Ose timbo maira ndiza ko seti. Aiga muno lompa ndo matara no ave mwi. Olombero ave mwe munumba munumo muchora mba muno woletse mba munumo. Oyunama. Ole ngibwa ale heuri. Hii amemweji munu. Hii amematare pe hapo. Ombai mutiarika no anduko chipoko ngaweluwe. Hii arika na wote.
Sasa kutoka pita. Atukaenda. Owere. Owana munyo verimba. Bahama yubetheri na oro vyungura. Omoko tapu otraife. Otraife matuka pito ili maitu kabura. Tweko kumba vinyoko urimba. Abandomba yamulikana wa mape ungurwa na mundambui. Opanombo. Dandombo. Ave skomaka everything na. Mape yamulikana wa. Bongo troka. Otraife. How you guys doing? Can you step on my place? We are recording for coverage the event.
Huh?
To whom am I talking to? To whom am I
talking to who?
Yeah.
You're taking to Beatrice.
Beatrice?
Yes.
What brought you here?
Trade fair. I came to work for trade fair.
Which company are you working for?
I'm working for MBA Fund.
So you come and market your company or you come
Yes, we just came to give information.
That's all?
Yes, that's
So
all.
how do you think about the whole event?
I think it was a very grateful event.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you afraid of the camera?
Very.
Ovinyo kora tukapita. Wairi maitu thamari toki ndako the VIP. Bape kwa na wa. Matutawe bape kaida badamba. Koi patrotare. Koi parotare. Parotare. Bape ngurana wa. Otraife. Toka pita. Paul Matobeli na ba munda wina. Because of time. Batu akade munda wina. Ya tuko tida kati kutoa. Pendo that is the phone number. George. Kwa hiyo bro mega.
Yeah. Ipite mwandu. Ipite mwandu.
Yebe.
Ola iti.
Abo wakahingira uri.
Moja imbo yakoza.
Pele rabona. Eko munhu waheruka, wearume, mapeka ile ndio ligurova.
Matuko sound check nai. O sound ino quality. Olongo madahama. Twererero utuku. Atukonjitho kuba uja mukapia ka complain uja. Oshona oboru mai complain ka kwanvesha mabe akabe aturimuno. Kwathego doiri uri dine. Okudapo murongo kenda polewe nambo. Anyembaro ndo mano stage. Hey brother. We mean business. Kwa okangu ino. Damu ndo kudage rongo yangu ini. Yeah. Yeah, check it out tonight. May come in numbers. O supporta doji meno muderi mopoyo. Wando vengi na vimba pamuno wando vengi na kwako witho mundu peyi. Ngomugongorera uyo wanje ochanderano. Atwagane po stage ambo. Numa tuturukuru. Ondo watesto nenga meka muna yarondo niko mano stage ni. Watesto nenga yarondo ko mano stage wandu akoza ne. Oyo mundu shehere mo rwedendwi. Enawe amege yaruneu. Siena ongu inga ino uno kana ukatwapo nga ino.
Ya omaina mire tonje heruka mo po trade fair. Dino ndi matunguro muthiko life o muthiko muna mwinyo no kuhino kutwapo ruvede no kuhino mathuvanino kama wengulipo karongo komene mbanga konjitho kuvala papo Opuwo mwi dino ndi matushito vihima ngongo dino nonda shitwa shitini shihimize shihimizo shitongame takamali dhumunderura nari yaruka munderura basho muthiko muna mwinyo no kuhino kutwapo ruvede. Yes.
Oliver. Matumunu mamungura api mamudhiki api kaideba. What's going on here? I see you are cooking.
Yes, we are busy cooking kapana.
Yeah, which kapana is this one?
This one is beef.
It's beef?
Yeah.
Oh.
Stew.
Let me see. Can you just open a little bit, please? Can you move. Pano tare, umbombo. It does look good. Yeah. Tasting good as well, isn't it?
Yes. And
thank you very much. People will remember you.
We just came to join others. We are from Umsati region, Okahao.
Okahao.
Yeah.
Next time we'll come at Okahao.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Pressure.
Shwaka Peter the better. Shwaka Peter the better. Ete bena try. Onja tukora njarara. Mpepo kampepo. Mutegwa. Kwa njoko Mike. Atoko munu waiki ekore ututa. Koroma.
Bilina wa.
Ko nguri.
Eka pita unajua.
So. Meku munu orututa kwa. Oro vingu rewe thenya. Ndaki zinene. Ya oku yapo napa. Njema ko Manchester. Omokoto. Wapuwo mo trade fair. Venomba no penje winner. Ajama utachike. Bosa. Just introduce yourself. How are you doing?
We are doing well. This one is very Shekwaya. Yeah, we are doing well. I just want to greet my people.
Where are you sitting here? Where are you sitting here?
I'm sitting here at Manchester United.
Oh.
Yes.
So this bar is the best bar in
It's the best which I recognize.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Don't tell me that I might not come later.
I'm telling you, even my I could even say that Takeni is here also. It's just upon arrival here.
What? You selling your
Yes.
Omashenda and new things?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you much for your time. I want to greet my people. Then it's responding my people, my Sopala. Sopala is responding. Steve himself, Kavanje.
In that one.
Kavanje, Amweke. Yeah. Eva.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Chidemona. Shwaka Peter. I see two ladies sitting here. Can I just 20 seconds? To whom am I talking to? To whom am I talking to?
Elizabeth.
Why are you sitting here and where are we here?
We are at Manchester United.
Come again?
We are at Manchester Bar.
So what's the special thing at Manchester Bar?
We are having a...
What's the special thing?
We are having a promotion. You buy three beers on $45.
That's it?
Yeah, and you are blind meat here.
You blind meat as well?
Yes. Thank you, please.
Thank you. Thank you for representing Manchester Bar. We are gone. How are you doing? No, we are done. Bye-bye. Bye, Manchester Banji. Peno Vandu Mama Manaba. Peno DJ Ba. How are you doing, sir? Who's in charge here? Bosa, can you grab the mic? We are doing coverage. Since this guy is afraid, doesn't want to talk about it. It's Manchester Bar. They are doing a promotion. Windhoek Trout, but they don't want to market Windhoek Trout. I don't know whether they can speak or maybe, I think they cannot hear even. Thank you very much for your time. Because of time. Short, 20 seconds.
The trade fair, it's very good. It's going well. The problem is just the dust. Too much dust, but the business is fine.
Okay.
And I love Opuwo so much.
So what's the other thing they can change in the future?
Maybe they can put interlock or something to avoid dust.
That's the only problem. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And I love Opuwo setup. I'm from Otapi, but I love the way they set up their things. Everything is fine. I love it.
How do the people that support you? How do they support you?
No, they are fine.
They are fine.
They are fine.
Okay.
They don't judge. They don't. How do you say it? How do you say it? They are good people. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Everybody will see about you and then they will know about your business. Next time, next year, they will come and support you more than this. Thank you very much. Etamotoka Peter. Papa is koma kwa mwana is koma kapo nabo. Obas koma kwa wa. Ombao njo. Manchester Bar. Mape munikana wa. Peno vandu wa hama na wa. Matimo kwa rukata wangi atubere mkatumwi. Wanja tukona jarara. Mutengwa. We are recording doing a coverage. You take a job? Shwaka Peter tepena. Mape munikana wapo namba dwa hama na wa. Omuni o kasali kingone. Kwa injo mundu anje umaketo kastaliki kwa mo sekonde twende hauri tuhanike kambro maika. Tuma kapita peje katiliba.
Babuwi?
Maketo kastaliki kwa mo 20 minutes pita peje munike.
Birimba Pautete Kapana. Opposite Manchester United. Murimba mwamuhema munangwa nje Pautete Kapana. Beno wikuri abihe odonyama winabihe njemba odon drinksa arikana. Bye bye.
Kuma tungo kumagerune. Kuma tungo kumagerune. Obe nguri chikoye.
Wami ndoli batesa.
Wala bushini.
Bala mo pori moro koruhona.
Ayego. Dagi sine. Wori randi da kapita. Ete bena try. Machiba. Bape munika ya peli no namba. Ba manawa pa namba. Panja tukona jarara. Bape munika no akumukuru ose da bejaga da pomba imega ronji. Maru chega kushone bada magere pa namba. Padi kwa nyama. Ya mape munika no baba. Bashavi. Omuneno ka stali kingome. Ene bana munyo. Kombo maika. Ole ngurune. Ole ngurune.
Wami ngumbiri hapa kachoho.
Mungu amoja weyo shepo nambane.
Ambami mwa bantu pamba ngura motan kanselo mbo wengi.
Okuja no treve mai mulikabi.
Treve ili na wato. Uno imba na mbeni bwene no kukamo treve. Ono titingina himuno karusheno. Himuno omera kaena kuyana onambuka moto. That's normal. Nongaremo the municipality Ngwendiva, Shakati, Runtu, Shomise, Inabibikamo. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Wakataro yego hadhana kongarigana abantu bawutwama bagana moga kwa heuri abantu bawutwama bakondo muvero betwa biungura Namibia opura kujabiyo yego hadhana
Paka pite tembe yaro ndake chire matiko brungu Chwa kumaketa ingira uri muna sekonde twende hau community ongano kasaliki kwa mtu wani Brandiga baba nawe brandiga binapo namba na hanja uga Matu kapita. How are you doing, sir? 20 seconds. Market to Kapana. Market to Kapana. Take the mic. How are you doing? You are fine. Seems people in Opuwo or other trade fair, they are afraid of talking. I don't know what's going on. Girls, how are you guys doing?
We are doing fine.
So who am I talking to? Sarah, are you a model?
Yeah.
I can tell by your voice.
I'm kidding, I'm not.
Don't worry. You are the owner. Can you market your store in 20 seconds?
Yes, good evening. Welcome to Cubex. Cubex Lounge, a place to be. If you want to have a maximum entertainment, and we have Kapana, we have Bamboo Chicken, we have everything is here. Come. And Habli is for free here. Yeah, and the draft is on. Show them around. Cameraman, show them around. Yes, those are the ladies there. Yeah. The drought. Show them the drought thing. Yeah. Yeah. We have Mr. Tox. Mr. Tox is the owner. Yeah. Come show the owner. Mr. Tox. NBC want to interview you.
Mr. Tox.
That is Mr. Tox, yeah.
Where is the man?
Yeah, it's the owner.
Back at your business in 10 seconds. Don't be afraid. 10 seconds only. Market your business here.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. You can see this is Quebec's Lounge. Come through, come have fun. Everything is here. You can see we're preparing some fish. Some galloon snook, fresh from the ocean. There are lobsters in the bay. I can't open it. Drinks are there. Draft on the tap. Everything is there. Come one, come all, come have fun, guys. Come have fun.
Thanks, man. Yeah, anjo naona matuka pita matu yako na watu kaenda mani matu itimokoto mwi can you please market the business 20 seconds mavetra kuingira li boss. Can you market your business in 20 seconds? Bokcha any language you want to speak.
This is the Talent Pub management. You are all welcome. Come visit, come to visit. Talent Pub, everything is closed. There's nice food here. We have everything sorted out. The one and only, the Talent Pub.
Abemulika pa mana udamba. Eno muka ento abanderu. Ba ha mana apa namba. Abemulika na wa. Mulino mokotombo. Me umuntu matara mulimo kotombwi. Wadaye munjire penje. Nembumuli ouni. Kuri chukwa. Mukula ebo chimumba.
Omitri njai. Omitri muno orato nene wa mandero makako. Ya njo tereka ya njinji. Ya.
Nu panamba jo pramba mapera.
Na imeri anga wiri. Mapera ndiko nyama. Wamu na kwa jio munimba zero nyama kulia na uya nyimbere mba uyu.
Lejo.
Ya.
Tangi sinene.
Okwepa sinene.
Watu akane komputa. Weri randiza. Ndiko chomeni mai kumunu. Amerika mai kumunu. France mai kumunu.
Kina kinene mbara ndizo mbanderu. Mbanderu wa ombahanga ukarukuru. Wando ichiwezo kuchiwana ikuchi wando emwe aze bomba no.
Dangi sinene.
Yeah, wakino yinene nokura ndiso puo no.
Dangi sinene.
Yeah.
Chaka bidete be. Yeah, hello. Ko njongu no. Pena umwe mako hingira mako rirandida. Mako randida. Modo sekonde ndano. Bingiro muni.
Hello. Inji. Star. What baita patuno?
Okapana ngoko stanga.
Okay turi go stanga. Nongwe yabo olika alutolika de osapota de mapuro. Imbimba mwe.
O drive mama nga ingiro bingiromba.
Obushe ojo bugire ngwinu. Obitri shiura man. Star ojo baita patuno. Baita patuno.
Baka bidete. Matokoje ko hakitho na weba namba. Tukonje kwa kidha. Maketa ka start kikwe modo sekonde twenda. Kamro bako igira moranditha ye ongurune.
Amituriga thaona meranditha oshioto kanusho rashina pakati no unyanga kombatanai no purevosa no kutranga to hari jonene na njo katite usho kutranga njo 2 liter nu meranditha ko $27 to. Yeah, rimba. Muinajo trading CC so obombari puturara. Yeah.
No drive mai munika bi ombranji chimo itire kombranja tu.
Ombranjiri na wanda matuni no drive ya tuno na kapita kombranja tu kotu shino katuno kwa shina kombranja tu koto ina bibiri nawa. Ya mehe oshimunyo no shiri na bwizo kombranja tu ko. Oshina charo rodu kushakapena ndo atesta nderi toto. Ya.
Okuja ombra mai le baba avere hondo ko mano muingire bo mutu ateshe je mano waro.
Ya ngaveto atesta nderi dori na idandu kana bere nawa mena atesta nderi bo. Matwango bale raksa mo muno andu to one blood. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Bape munikana wamba mutengwa? Oh, good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm good.
To whom am I talking to?
Kasagonya.
Why are you here?
I'm here to enjoy trip.
So how does the travel looking now so far?
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Bagapita. Bagapita pe munikana wa. Kendo vandu velipa. Taura karineba. Mundu wangu. Arikana hotel goma. Hotel goma on no video. You are live. Oh, yeah. No problem. On Germany mai umunu. O America mai umunu. O China mai umunu. Eno ningandu. Uri mondoro yakoje kama ubitheka moyo kuingira. Wanja twakapita. Barumedomba. Ape munikana wa. Kapanda Kongo. Chimoda apera ndithiwa uri ngama indaye naba. Kati munda muna toka tapeka indaba. O drive ya Opuwo everything na. Peshiri othonda hawandu behanike. Mundu wanje. Koromabo. What's your name? Huh? Randida kesema yeye mother seconde twenda. Kamro Mike.
Aigara jona Opuwo tulimona motre femera ndida. Mera nditho nyama yoko makara. Mera nditho nyama mojungu. Luchimwango kulia nawe na virimba ulijo bakapana kakapota rujani. Uyo kulia bino iwacha kondero ye. No bibi go kuvirimba biri mojungu biri mobimba kacha kondero ye bihe mimwanga.
Baki sinone.
Tirene.
Ogo heba. Shwaka pita tebera. Matu amboiri chinele. Oiri matu konyo kutepo. Matu imba. Konje kurishu kiza kushene bumuri one mo sekonde ndano uriri bika pite. Obiti onji maira ndiza o trade fair yapu. Owandu mopo bakerembe yimotoka behingire betazomba kono Mike. Baka pite.
Yeah, I don't understand.
To whom am I talking to? What? Just introduce yourself in 1 second.
Oh, I'm Becky. I'm here in Opuwo Trade Fair. Please come and join us, please, people. Thank you.
And who are your friends?
The friends is still coming from wherever they are.
Yeah. But you are sitting with them, but you don't know them. Hey, this trade fair. This trade fair. It's unbelievable. You come and sit with people who don't know who are they, and then you just eat a drink together.
Of course, we know each other.
Twakapita etebeda. Twakapita etebeda. Hapo akono. Kamera bali.
Oida na mrudu akaino ndi jithe wanu tunomea Opuwo mwi. Matuno trade venji tunombira nji. Onji tunu. Enjoy ni uri.
Chigono anje. Ene muri onde. Kamera Mike introduce veni mo sekonde ndano kamera no Mike hanwani.
Ami ngombirenge kurenja hera. Umkwe nambura balabur banje yi mgwa TV. Birimo Opuwo mbitamo Kameru Combined Eco School. Thank you.
Twakapita. Matu matoka ne koputa. O mutengwa. Yanja ura mo sekonde ndano. Hey, handwa no Mike handwani. Anjo.
Yeah. Dai ngorendo waro therandi wami keve na chapo ha mbadakora kana mupatro Opuwo bikamo Opuwo remote timatu fulana wa ineme kaonja na mongondora kamwi dangi
twakapita au munikana waziri mulimo drive ai ndangi man twakapita tepena okay ruve the marutu da matu konjo kenda mundambo stage ko backstage twende vishiro vikaute matu kaenda ni Katukaende pamwe.
Mutengo rujindo ranyu ami Absalom rujindo proyeka ime kamtungela proyeka yunguroli na mukola yobutka winga oyo muno wanga kuime muno maungulo byunguliramba olitala ikimungula okunguliramba mundambesere uli mungulire yambe kangama jeo no muraji ongoze 3134593 chama no nga ichinacho cyo kurumiza muliro juma mungura gambaraye ko yengo kujo happy ko jinyo bana mbingura po marambe na yimbo yo bingura bingura ko make
Obisha muno mo ngura muno
mbingura munju mbu yamba mutoro kuyarura mundambi na bino mara mbingura panga na bino jurbo original kunende mbo original kitambo
echo
opposite butulimu
kako ndaki chinene kapo ya wengi bekupura tene no mara mutu bakambura obisha jima bekuhepa maye kutone mbo ndaki chinene
okunene kuhepa
ya omoko tomwi mugora trife eive thini na muhuka mutu anje bandu bya koku tamabe rongere kuto kuthapo okyaruka kotho kubera ndisira nyina byao Amara ndisiro you must package yourself in 5 minutes and then try to give your number at the end of the day. Ndirandiza yanje narwe jambora ndiongeshe paye modo sekonde dano utoko ingira katini mara somo mega
nei
yana ingira mundu
hello, my name is Justice Opara Sisi. I'm selling toys for kids and pluggies. I'm selling many more for kids. My cell phone number is 081 70 77 194. Please, I want you to come support me.
So are you from here?
No, I'm from Windhoek.
You are from Windhoek?
Yeah.
So people in Windhoek, once you listen to this, make sure you call her and then start buying toys from her. Thank you.
Ocherero.
Hey, you get out. Kama jina ka uli machine mu yabila birandi.
Iyo ami ugatera bafana njango be. Birandi zo mahoro, birandi zo njupa. Imbi ade misoji himba no. Imba po salamba puturi osara ine nanji. Open market opuma putulimba. Umango chidero chidumba. Omahoronge ni no njupanda mundambwi. Omahorongo no donjupa no tupa pambio nando ndanu wingra. Odonda era naga waserin. Odonda odondo. Okuja o murumendo mukaendu mwango kuhiki ko chihimba je njomba bosalamba udare. Odonjupa puderi o mahoro puyeri o bidumba o bide binabi hebirimba. Ono moranje yongode o mpari o imwe ondatu hambo ndatu o mpari hambo umwe.
My name is Valmina Edward. We are here at Opuwo. We have a lot of things selling, bags here, the hats, and the perfumes, nice ones, the watches, the glasses. We have a lot of things. Yeah, and also clothes, nice things here. Like today, we are putting on sales because it's the last day. Yeah, my cell phone number 061 48 630. Yeah, maybe I can repeat my cell phone number 081 61 48 630. Thank you.
How are you doing? How are you doing? Can you please introduce yourself in 5 seconds? Tell me your name, tell me the name of the business, and then tell me what are you selling here, and then give me your cell phone number at the end. Please get the mic. Keep on talking.
My name is Mariam.
Put it closer here a bit.
I selling the material from.
Bring the mic a little bit close. Yeah. Like talk louder.
Okay. My name is Mariam Lawrence Symptom. I'm from Tanzania. Yes, I selling the clothes from Tanzania. I sell the material, cotton material, and I sell the sandals, Masai sandals, and I sell the t-shirt for Masai t-shirt, and the shirt, Masai shirt. Thank you Namibia to support me.
So are you on social media? Are you on Facebook?
Yeah, I have a Facebook.
What's the name on the social media?
Mariam Mtoni. Then you go in the WhatsApp, in the Facebook, in the Instagram. My name is Mariam. You can find me there.
So what's your WhatsApp number? Where they can
WhatsApp number 081 6200 345. Thank you. You are welcome, my customers.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
How are you doing? Introduce yourself in 5 seconds. Tell me about your business, and then at the end of the day, give me your cell phone number. Ingira umundu wanje. Oda sekonde ndano. Wilake.
Enaranjo amika betengwa thamyanja kuvale. Biranditha mostoro shina bene trading CC. Ostora etu turanditha odongo do iPhone ino mayo viane no mathere mu bino mirongo hambo ndatu. Turanditha dosola de yuvanoho. Deno mathere tano no mirongo mu bino ndano o makorio do otomi. O paro vimboxa o vihordeina. Na wina tunoka TV noho kati siara kukeriko promotion na turanditha dombinje do vimbere no mathere bari no mirongo hambo mbari na ndano. No dombako no ndumwe neno kukanyanda na do churi po pati nao. No do hambri no vichuma we okupitho kombeitha yena wachinene na wina turanditha makwamo. Turanditho vimbamba kutira modo mbanda mbino ka laptop no kukeriko mbiri hachinene kena mayo vieta tuno mathere hambo ndatu no mirongo muvyu. No do heba do kukoho mama mo mirungu no madhe. No do nja todo una jiwoskolle. No do baserine do kuva wano na wina no mbino ora tio yo hauto ino mathere muvyu no mirongo muvyu na ndano no do mbako do hauto soni no mbino yo ino mathere hambo ndatu no mirongo hambo mbari na ndano.
Yeah, okusha vimuno Opuwo ungure Opuwo kwa dhugora.
Biungure Opuwo stora yetu iri mende yo Standard Banga. Opumo ibada mbona.
Take shinene.
Ono moranjo ngothe, ono rohambo ndato imwe. Ombari ohambo mbari, ondano mbari, ondatu omuvi okabetengwa kuvare kula Opuwo.
Ogule kwa. Faka bida tebeda. Oh, everything now. How you doing?
We are well.
Can you please market your business in 5 seconds? Okay. Tell me your name, tell me the name of the business. At the end of the day, give me your cell phone number, your contact number, where people can find you.
Yeah, the name of my business is Shining Angels Tailoring CC. We are here in Opuwo Trade Fair, selling blankets, kitchen curtains, everything. We are selling a lot. You can check. We are from Ruakana. If you need us, we can give you a contact number 081 236 5843. Anything for the kittens, bedroom, everywhere, toilets, dressing just a little bit, and tailoring more. You can bring your materials. We are waiting for you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okuria kuhepa. Vandu vado koma hi peke peke. Vado kotu kondwa peke peke. Very more tray fair mono. O tray fair nji yawani the vandu nji. Yawani the vandu.
Jabi.
Yeah, start again. Yeah.
This is Pengon Jabi Oshakati. We are at the Tango Complex opposite Game Center. So we're selling perfume, clothes, bags, and everything you can come to check at the Tango. Thank you very much.
So is this the first time you guys to be in the expo, in the trade fair?
We used to be here always, and our customers, they know that we are here. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you. Mwadhu yatemba matu yamba rukwamba peno ka okastora ka rekerimba no matu koje kuhinga kuno muna nepo mune okastora. Yeah, can you please introduce yourself in like 5 minutes? about your business. Start with your name, the name of the business, and then market what you're selling. And then at the end of the day, give me your number. Are you the owner here?
Yes.
Can you please introduce yourself in 5 seconds? Tell me about your name, tell me about the name of the business, and then at the end of the day, give me your number so the clients can know about your number and how they can find you, stuff like that.
Hi Namibia. This is Louise Matilefu. I'm representing in Opuwo Trade Fair. My company name is Etu Trading CC. We are selling toys, cappies, footwears, and many more. Please come support us. Today is the final day. Come in numbers, please. We can't wait to see you.
And what about if a client wants to buy your stuff? Do you have any contacts? Or do you have are you on social media where they can find you or stuff like that?
Yes, they can contact me on 081 39 399 2869.
Thank you very much for your time.
You're welcome.
Yeah, as you can see here, there are some people here that are trying to do really good stuff. It's a Namibia made, I think so. Leather, proper, original from Namibia. See, they're just doing good stuff here around here. You know, some of the clients, they don't want to market themselves, but it's fine. There we go. We are out here.
Wenda mwamini kwa muhengo maungire wote wapi hatli okuthira Opuwo. Okuthira Opuwo. Bino business akurandi todo mbanda no change opo maokombu hongwe narwe. Ko vingi mbimo vihepa mweni no kunchito nilongode. Obino vingi mbiota pune pangaranje kudako Tanzania enare orinda and urimo portrait feni. Ya mutavie mamuvi munumbi mavikaenda poto. Kwa uhengu menji hepa kongolia nje kumunjitonene. Ouriri ohambo ndatu oimwe ombari ohambo mbari odo ine mbari ohambo ndatu. Onomora nji ongotheru kwao. Ouriri ohambo ndatu oimwe ombari ohambo mbari odo ine mbari ohambo ndatu okuthira Opuwo.
Okay, my name is Max Ojamu from Dynafam International in Namibia. Our products are herbal products and organic fertilizers that are helping farmers in actually to do their organic farming, whilst we are also helping them to improve their produce in terms of crop production and livestock management. We are also into food supplements which are good for the healthy and enhancing the well-being of people. We are in Ondangwa. We also have an office in Otapi. We also have another one in Nana, Okongo, Rundu, Welvis Bay, and our head office is Windhoek. For those who want to contact us, they can get me on 081 76 313 83. Thank you.
Onangui turipo African designer. Turandi todo he mando do African printanda, no do horoko do African printer. Ou bengals a wokopa, ou kakumbo ngurapo, ou wambo ngurapo leather. Ou now Niklas a mothengo, ou njenje uwa. Me yo products ambiada ko Kenya na Tanzania, okuja chimwango kupura ko murungu. Moto no kono moranji 081 300 5098. Opumo ivadambo opura ko inayaro ko murungu chuno chibitire yara njimwango kodo. Thank you.
Yeah, the man rapid. Speak a little louder.
Can I just start? Okay. Okay, oete o easy life po kanjonga ko easy life amba po Opuwo Trade Fair. O easy life o onjonje onganda njino o wina peke chimuna tuno odokosiwa pono ona mbo okupanga chimuna ude okupanduka po chimamu ango anaje o michitenda do asima no bikwaye tulipo katarake mchimo bango bina bihepo mwango kujoino easy life
tona kongo zenji onora ohambo ndatu oimwe ondatu omuvyu onoro mbali omuvyu ondatu oimwe chanje aihetwa haka ene munu virimba pakatana mbapo po trade fair ndangi
wamikae kombinge ami mbiunguro ngechesayo unjeje biunguro byanje wabihe peke peke imbo unjatu ovina vyekutirirwa vihape ovina kutwamo maushi outishu mboksanda una kutirolo toilet paper obyanje wabyekutiriramu unjenye novikwa ovina vyekutwamo vimblomna ovina kutiriramo mai ochuanarikana myango kushinshukitha kucharikana uri ife kurando byanje wamodostora obyanje wobyo mbyo biwanuko mbiri havyo ndengu yokombanda noho onomoranje onorohambo ndato imwe ondato ndano ohambo mbari ohambo umwe oimwe ohambo umwe ine merukirepo nonomoranje rukwao 08135766164 okuyeba.
Let us be put nice things. Put in a deal. Wait first 5 seconds.
Yeah, we're here now.
Yeah.
No, don't worry, we're not going to debate.
I put.
Don't worry, you can just debate.
It's okay.
I will go to down there.
Okay.
Continue, please.
Yeah, my name is Jacqueline Kitundu. I'm from Tanzania. I'm here for Opuwo Trade Fair, selling the things from Tanzania. Nice material, nice dresses, nice shirts. The material original from Tanzania, pure cotton. And again.
And your contact number, where can we find you? On your social media?
Yeah, I'm from Tanzania. My name is Jacqueline Kitundu. Yeah, I'm straight from Tanzania.
Do you have WhatsApp?
Yes, I have WhatsApp.
What's the number of your WhatsApp?
The number for WhatsApp is +255 71 35 97 181.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, so my name is Crystal Nassam, the Chief Public Relations Officer for the Office of the Auditor General. We're here at the Opuwo Trade Fair exhibiting our audit reports, which is really what our mandate is to audit the State Revenue Fund and then to report there onto the National Assembly. The crowd currently are very much interested in our career opportunities that we offer in terms of promoting the audit fraternity. Then also I believe that the locals here are very much interested in their audit report findings, and what we are trying to push is for the locals to understand their part in the audit process. Thank you.
So is this the first time you guys to be in Opuwo Trade Fair?
Oh, no. We are partners with the Opuwo Town Council. We've been here probably 3, 4, 5 times now.
What's the different
setup? The setup is definitely different this time around.
And what other input you going to put in for the next year trade fair?
Okay, so next time when we come here, we're definitely going to come with more audit reports of the Opuwo Town Council because those ones went out so fast, super fast.
With the councillors?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Actually, what's the contact numbers?
We only have a head office in Windhoek, so if you want to reach us, 061-285-8202. That is 061-285-8202. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, and also on YouTube, and also our website, www.oag.gov.gov.
Wamindevama ya tona mbinge turimba bolete homba teho onyinywa muchu wa ruguru jolete onambano ya rirombanga tuyanja odholouna tuyanja do kulando do njiwo tuyanja odholouna do personal louna tuyanja nambano no torikuta kuno MTC ipumwe neno kurandongode okupitira mu MTC etatu tutochimari yako MTC kucha umuno ukatorongodhe njimwe neno ku njimovanga ko MTC ombyo uri mbimbango kuhingiro ititi twavatera otho client yetu twakaine kuno otho client yetu twene kuvetera abe matuthe vatere ndangi chini